Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to draw bluebird using pencil color and sketch pen. This is our picture. Take a 4-side sheet and draw margins. For the head, draw a circle and oval shape for the body. Connect the circle and the oval shape for creating the neck. Also draw the tail of the bird. Draw the eyes, beak and legs shown in the video. Also erase the oval shape and redraw it as the wings. Now draw the branches. For the background, draw clouds, bushes and sun. At the first tone, take a yellow and light blue pencil and color the bird as shown in the video. Now color the sky using blue, yellow and orange pencils. Color the branches with orange and brown color. Use light and dark green pencils to color the bushes, grass and the leaves. In the second tone, use dark blue pencil to shade on the bird. In the third tone, use blue sketch pen to highlight and color the details of the bird. Same process on the cloud and yellow-orange sketch to color and highlight the sun. Use orange and brown sketch on the branches and legs. Use light and dark green sketch to color leaves, bushes and highlight some part of the ground. Use black sketch pen to darken the margin. I hope you like it and thanks for watching.